Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will learn to write lowercase cursive letters. Cursive is a style of writing in which all the letters in a word are connected. All lowercase cursive letters start from grass line, which is the third line. First of all, we will learn the concept of lines, loops and curve. This is a grass slant line. This slant line touches the skyline. This is a slant line with a loop. This is a hook or connector that connects one word to the other. In cursive, we draw the slant line from down to up. We do not draw slant line from upwards to downwards. This is the right curve. This is the left curve. This is the up curve. This is the down curve. Now we will start to write lowercase cursive letters. To write A in cursive, we draw a slant line, make a right curve, then make a tail. To write B in cursive, we draw a slant line with loop, then a connector. To write C in cursive, we draw a slant line, then right curve. To write D in cursive, we draw a slant line, then right curve, make a sky slant line, down, make a tail. To write E in cursive, we draw a slant line with a loop, then right curve. To write F in cursive, we draw a slant line with loop, then touch root line, then draw a connector. To write G in cursive, we draw a slant line, then a right curve, move pencil downwards to touch root line, then draw a line upwards. To write H in cursive, draw a slant line with a loop, then make a down curve, then a tail. To write I in cursive, we draw a slant line, make a right curve, then a tail. To write J in cursive, we draw a slant line, then make a slant line that touches root line and then draw a line upwards. To write K in cursive, we draw a slant line with a loop, then make a very small left curve, then make a tail. To write L in cursive, we make a slant line with a loop, then make a tail. To write M in cursive, we draw a slant line with a bump, then again a slant line with a bump, then again slant line with a bump, then make a tail. To write N in cursive, we draw a slant line with a bump, then again a slant line with a bump, then make a tail. To write O in cursive, we draw a slant line, then make a small circle, then a connector. To write P in cursive, we draw a slant line, make a slant line that touches root line, then make a slant line with a bump and a tail. To write Q in cursive, we draw a slant line, make a right curve, then draw a slant line that touches root line and then make a connector with a slant line. To write R in cursive, we draw a slant line with a small loop, then a curved line, then make a tail. To write S in cursive, we draw a slant line, make a small loop and then draw a left curve with slant line. To write T in cursive, we draw a slant line that touches skyline, then a tail. Then draw a slipping line, makes T. Next letter U in cursive, we draw a slant line, makes up curve, then a tail. To write V in cursive, we draw a slant line, then make a cone shape, then make a connector. To write W in cursive, we draw a slant line, then a cone shape, then again a cone shape, then a connector. To write X in cursive, we draw a slant line, then make a left curve and then make a right curve. To write Y in cursive, we draw a slant line, then makes up curve, then draw a slant line that touches root line, then draw a line upwards. To write Z in cursive, we draw a slant line, then slipping line, then again a slant line, then draw a curve to root line, then move upwards. To practice curve in cursive writing, ask students to write letter C in cursive as much as they can without lifting up the pencil. To practice loop in cursive writing, ask students to write letter L in cursive as much as they can without lifting up the pencil. To practice bump in cursive writing, ask students to write letter N in cursive as much as they can without lifting up the pencil. To practice up curve in cursive writing, ask students to write letter U in cursive as much as they can without lifting up the pencil. Now we will learn to write 3-letter words in cursive writing. I will tell you how to join one letter with the other. First we will write the word hat, hat, hat. H tails join with the slant line of A. Then A tails join with the slant line of T. Now we will write the word cup. Cup, cup. C tails join with the slant line of U. Then U tails join with the slant line of P. Now we will write the word egg. Egg, egg. E tails join with the slant line of G. Then G tails join with the slant line of G. Now we will write the word sun. Sun, sun. S tails join with the slant line of U. Then U tails join with the slant line of N. Now we will write the word X. X, X. A tails join with the slant line of X. Then X tails join with the slant line of E. Now we will write the word ant. Ant, ant. A tails join with the slant line of N. Then N tails join with the slant line of T. Now I will tell you a story of two ants. This is Teeny and this is Weenie. And this is a Teeny's hut because Teeny's is hardworking. It collects the food itself. On the other hand, Weenie wastes the time. Weenie does not collect any food. Teeny always advised Weenie to not waste the time. But Weenie was so careless. Then the rainy days comes. Teeny has enough food to spend some days, but Weenie does not have any food to eat in rainy days. Then Teeny helps Weenie. Teeny gives the food to Weenie. Teeny advises Weenie to not waste the time and asks Weenie to collect the food. Weenie promised Teeny to follow the advice. We tell this teeny weeny story to students because students do not make the heart shape in cursive letter. We tell students to make hut as teeny weeny's hut where they keep their food. As you can see, the letter A in cursive have 3 huts. The letter K in cursive has only 1 hut. Then the letter G in cursive have 3 huts. Thank you for watching.